In the fast-paced realm of social media, where attention spans are shorter than ever, a new phenomenon is taking center stage and capturing the hearts of millions: motivational short-form videos. These bite-sized nuggets of inspiration, often found on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok, are not only garnering millions of views but also leaving a profound impact on their audiences. Have you ever wondered what lies behind the allure of these deceptively simple videos? How is it that they manage to resonate so deeply with viewers and amass such immense popularity? Well, today, we embark on a fascinating journey to unveil the secrets of creating compelling motivational short-form videos, infused with the power of artificial intelligence. In this exploration, we'll delve into the art and science of crafting these videos, breaking down each crucial element that contributes to their success. From generating motivational quotes with the precision of AI to synchronizing captivating visuals, music, and voiceovers, we'll equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to inspire and uplift your audience in the digital age. So, if you've ever been curious about the magic that fuels these motivational video sensations, or if you aspire to create your own impactful content, you're in the right place. Join us as we uncover the artistry and technology that breathe life into these compelling digital messages of hope and empowerment. Welcome to the world of motivational short-form videos, crafting inspiration in the digital age. The motivational video phenomenon. The viral success of motivational content on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok is nothing short of a social media phenomenon. These seemingly simple videos are attracting millions upon millions of views and substantial earnings for their creators. However, the apparent simplicity of these videos can be deceiving. To unlock their potential, we need to dissect their key components. The common traits of viral motivational videos. Before we embark on the journey of creating our motivational masterpiece, it's essential to understand what makes these videos so appealing. A quick perusal of motivational content on platforms like Instagram reveals a recurring pattern. Distinctive voiceover. Most of these videos feature a specific voiceover that imparts wisdom, inspiration, or motivation. This voice becomes a recognizable signature of the content. Visually captivating footage. While the visuals might seem random at first glance, they are meticulously selected to be visually appealing and high quality. These clips often include cinematic shots of various subjects, from nature scenes to everyday life. Atmosphere of darkness and mystery. There's a deliberate effort to create a dark and mysterious ambience in these videos. This choice of mood adds depth and captivates the viewer's attention. Now, let's break down the steps to create such videos, leveraging the power of AI. Generating motivational quotes with AI. The foundation of any motivational video lies in its quotes. To create these quotes efficiently, we'll employ ChatGPT, a potent AI language model. Here's how to do it. Instruction for ChatGPT. Begin by instructing ChatGPT to generate motivational quotes that are not only inspiring but also easily digestible. Clarity and simplicity are key here, as the quotes should resonate with a broad audience. Expanding the quotes. Typically, these quotes are concise, often just one sentence. However, to extend their length and create a more substantial video, instruct ChatGPT to add a second part to these quotes while maintaining simplicity. Iterate as needed. Depending on your desired video duration, you can repeat this process until you have enough quotes to create a video that falls within the 15 to 20-second range, which is ideal for social media platforms. Crafting the voiceover and visual composition. With your motivational quotes in hand, it's time to breathe life into your video. This involves using Fleeky for voiceover. Fleeky is a user-friendly tool for combining audio and video. Paste the quote generated by ChatGPT into Fleeky, and you're ready to move on. Selecting visual footage. As mentioned earlier, the choice of footage is flexible. The key is to curate visually captivating clips. Look for high-quality, cinematic shots that resonate with your message, even if they seem somewhat random at first glance. Adjusting aspect ratio. Ensure that your video is in portrait mode, as this is the preferred format for most social media platforms. Set a brief gap, around 0.2 seconds, between scenes to make the voiceover sound natural. The role of music in motivational videos. Music is a critical element in setting the emotional tone of your video. Here's how to choose and integrate music. Choosing the right music, you have several options here. While some creators use copyrighted music on platforms like Instagram, using royalty-free music is a safer bet. Numerous websites offer a wide range of royalty-free tracks. Syncing music with content. To create a powerful impact, find a climax or drop in your chosen music track and align it with the end of your spoken content. This synchronization can enhance the emotional resonance of your video. Creating the perfect atmosphere with color grading. To achieve the dark and mysterious atmosphere characteristic of motivational videos, you can experiment with color grading. While it's an art, you can start by 1. Adjusting color settings. Modify settings like temperature, hue, saturation, brightness, and contrast to create the desired mood. 1. These adjustments will vary depending on your video and personal preferences. Subtitles and text enhancement. Subtitles play a crucial role in making your content accessible and engaging. Auto captions. Use CapCut's auto caption feature to generate subtitles based on the spoken content. Adjusting subtitles. You may need to split longer subtitles into smaller, more manageable chunks to improve readability. Font and shadow. Experiment with different fonts to find one that complements your content. Adding a subtle shadow effect can make subtitles more visually appealing. Final touches and exporting. Once you're satisfied with your video, it's time to prepare it for sharing. Naming your video. Give your video a catchy and relevant title that encapsulates the essence of your motivational message. Exporting. Use your video editing tool to export the final product. This will create a file that's ready for sharing on your preferred social media platform. In the ever-evolving landscape of social media, the allure of motivational short-form videos is undeniable. These videos, with their ability to inspire and uplift, have become a beacon of positivity in the digital realm. The captivating blend of compelling voiceovers, carefully curated visuals, synchronized music, and artful post-production techniques has led to the meteoric rise of this genre. As we've explored in detail, the power of AI, exemplified by ChatGPT, has made it easier than ever to craft motivational quotes that resonate with a broad audience. It's not just about what's said, it's about how it's said. The clarity and simplicity of these quotes, coupled with the mesmerizing voiceovers, create an emotional connection that leaves a lasting impact. The careful selection of visuals, often cinematic in nature, transports viewers into a world where inspiration knows no bounds. Coupled with precise color grading, these videos evoke emotions that linger long after the final frame. Music, a universal language, acts as the emotional glue that binds the entire experience together. When synchronized with the narrative, it amplifies the message, stirring the soul and leaving a profound mark on the viewer. Subtitles, though often overlooked, play a crucial role in accessibility and engagement. Through thoughtful editing and font selection, these subtitles transform into an art form that enhances the overall viewing experience. In the end, as you embark on your journey to create motivational content, remember that your message has the potential to touch countless lives. The combination of AI-driven creativity and human ingenuity allows you to craft stories that inspire, uplift, and unite. Your voice, your vision, and your message have the power to ignite change, spark hope, and leave an indelible imprint on the digital landscape. So, armed with the knowledge and tools we've explored, step confidently into the world of motivational content creation. Share your message with the world, for you too can be the beacon of positivity in this digital age. Let your voice resonate, let your visuals captivate, and let your message inspire. And always remember, in the realm of motivational content, the power to create change lies within your reach. Thank you for joining us on this journey of creativity, inspiration, and innovation. Please subscribe for more amazing content. Together, we can continue to fill the digital space with the positivity and motivation that our world so deeply craves. Keep inspiring, keep creating, and keep making a difference. Until next time.